I needed to put this onto this, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did it. I needed a mount to put my phone on this Concept2 SkiErg machine. I recently signed up for Sweden's largest cross-country ski race, and at the same time I bought a training program from an online coaching. The training program includes pre-programmed workouts for the machine in the ErgZone app, which are then sent to the Concept2 SkiErg machine. Since I don't own a SkiErg machine myself, I do these workouts at the local gym where the Concept2 is the most common brand. I noticed already during the first training session that there was no good place to store the phone if, for example, you want to watch a movie at the same time you're doing your exercise, or if you want to follow your workout progress in the app. After a quick Google search, I found different types of phone holders that could be attached to the machine, but the vast majority of these were attached directly to the monitor, and I think it ended up in a too low viewing angle. I wanted my phone higher up to avoid bending my neck so much when looking at the screen. I took some measurements of the machine at the gym and left for home to draft everything in Fusion 360. The idea was that the mount should be easy to put in place, and also I wanted the phone to be easy to attach to the mount. The first version that I designed so that the phone was only resting on a small shelf worked for a while, but I noticed that the phone shook when I did intense intervals and the phone was at risk of falling off. So I realized that I needed a mechanism that could hold the phone firmly to the shelf. I made a prototype version with an adjustable clip on to try to secure the phone in place. I could adjust the clamping force by moving the clip up and down or further away or closer to the phone. This adjustability also allowed the possibility to accommodate different sizes of phones. Unfortunately, the clamp did not hold to the position I had set it to, which made me consider redesigning, perhaps with a gear locking mechanism for the clamp device. When I was trying to figure out how to design this gear mechanism, I chose to use incline gears that enable movement in one direction but lock in the opposite direction. In order for this to work optimally, the material properties of the clamp needed to be flexible while not being too stiff. In this way, the lock mechanism can be disengaged and the clip can be lifted from its locked position and release the phone. So I created a second version of the phone holder with this new mechanism, and it worked really well. The material I chose for this part, PETG filament, allowed flexibility without compromising strength. During the test at the gym, during tougher intervals, the phone stayed in place really well, and I felt that I could be satisfied with the result. So there you have it. I had a problem where I saw room for improvement and took action. And I have to say, I was really pleased with the end result of this thing. If against all odds anyone is watching this and you can see any room for improvements on the design, let me know in the comments. Or if you feel like you could benefit from a phone holder like this too, leave a comment and I will see what I can do.